When it comes to manifesting, in order to manifest any desire, first you need to decide what it is you want, and then you need to focus on already having that desire. But are you sure that you've chosen the right desire? Are you sure that you're focusing on the right end result? Keep watching this video to find out. What's up, superheroes? Welcome back to my channel, the place where we make the impossible possible. I'm Scarlet Grace from Seraph.com. I'm a manifestation coach, and today's video is all about selecting the right end result to focus on and manifest. If you're new here and you want to learn how to manifest any desire fast with the law of attraction and Neville Goddard's teachings, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any video that could change your life. And if you need some extra help or my personal advice for your situation, coaching is now available. You'll find the links in the description below. I also have a 21-day course on how to manifest your specific person. So if that's what you're looking for, then click the link in the description to check it out. So let's talk about choosing the right end result for you. If you've been watching my videos for a while now, you probably already know how the process of manifesting works. First of all, you choose an end goal, an end result that you want. Then, you come up with something that would happen if and only if your end result had already manifested. For example, if you wanted a promotion, you would imagine a scene that is taking place in your new office where you moved after getting a promotion, because this implies that you already got the promotion. If you want to get married, you imagine a scene that would imply that you got married. This can be your honeymoon, or it can be your 2-year anniversary with this person. Okay? Now, in most cases, choosing the end result that you want is a pretty straightforward thing. You already know what you want, so you choose that end result. But sometimes, for some people, things can get a little complicated and they may end up choosing the wrong end result to manifest. And here's why this happens. The first reason this happens is because some people get confused when it comes to the end result that they want and the end result they think they are supposed to want. Let me give you an example of this. I've had at least 5 coaching clients this month tell me that they have been imagining being married to their specific person, and in all cases this was an ex that they wanted to manifest back. So they have been imagining being married to this person, but when they got coaching from me, they told me this is not truly what they want because they don't know yet if this is a person they want to get married to. So they basically want to get back with this person. They don't want marriage, but they have been focusing on marriage. Now this is choosing the wrong end result. Now the reason this happened is because me and many other manifestation coaches talk a lot about how to manifest marrying someone. But this is just because many people want to manifest marrying their ex. So that's why we talk about it a lot. That doesn't mean that you have to want that too just because other people want it. That doesn't mean that you cannot manifest a relationship with this person without it meaning you two getting married if that's what you want. You have no obligation to get married to your specific person. When we talk about living from the end and focusing on the end result and not on the middle of the process, this means choose the end result you want. Just because many people's ideal end result is marriage doesn't make yours marriage. If right now what you want is a happy relationship with this person, then this is your end result. Now, if one day you decide that, okay, we've been getting along for a while and I'm really happy with this person and I want to marry this person, then you can manifest getting married to this person. It's not the middle to imagine that you're in a happy relationship if you don't actually want marriage. It's the right end result for you to manifest that you're in a happy relationship and not married already. It's the middle only if what you want is truly marriage. So don't choose the goal, don't choose the end result that other people want, don't choose the end result that other people expect you to want, don't choose the end result that you think you should want. Choose the end result that you truly want. If you want a happy relationship and no other commitment in terms of meeting family or getting engaged or getting married or adopting pets or having children, then don't imagine that stuff. You're God of your reality. You get to choose the end result that you want. You don't have to live your life based on what other people think is right for you. If you want a relationship, manifest a relationship, okay? So the first mistake is to assume that just because other people want something, this needs to be your end result too. And this doesn't only apply to specific people, it applies to anything. Maybe you don't want to become the boss at your company. Maybe you don't want to become the CEO. Maybe you just want a promotion right now and that's your end goal. You want a little bit more money and a little bit more responsibility and that's all, and you're happy there. You will be happy there for a few more years. Maybe you don't want 5 promotions. You don't want to become the boss. You don't want to work all day. You don't want to have to be stressed about work. You just want 1 promotion so that you can increase your income just a little bit. And that's all you want. You can manifest that. Just because other people may have huge career dreams doesn't make that the right goal for you. Doesn't make this the right end result for you to focus on. It's not a go big or go home kind of thing. Go as big as you want, but don't force yourself to go bigger than you want just because you assume that this is what you are supposed to want. Okay? You can choose a goal that is as big or as small as you desire. You don't have to follow other people's desires and other people's rules when choosing your goal. Just ask yourself, what do I truly want? Right now, what do I truly want? And if it's just 1 promotion, well, focus on manifesting that 1 promotion. If it's to become the boss or to own your own company, then of course, go all in and focus on manifesting that. The second mistake people make when choosing an end result to manifest their desire is to go way too big. Now, this may be similar to the previous category, but actually in this category, it's not going too big because other people expect it of you. It's going too big because this huge thing is what you desire. But some people go too big too fast. Now, what do I mean by this? You can manifest any desire that you have. It doesn't matter how big it is. So let's say that you decide that your end result is that you want to be earning $10 million per month. Okay? This is something that you can manifest. But if right now you're earning $5,000 per month, this desire is huge compared to where you are right now. Now, to some people, this is not a problem. They can easily imagine that they are this person that earns 10 million per month, and they can feel all the associated emotions, and they don't care how long it is going to take. They know that this is the end result that they want, and they can get there. But other people, when they go that big that fast, get this incredible amount of resistance and end up feeling horrible, and nothing manifests because they're feeling horrible. If you've chosen a goal that is truly huge compared to where you are right now, you have 2 options. Either you do a lot of serious work on rewriting the beliefs that make you feel that this goal is impossible, on changing your past so that you can eradicate any past incidents that make you feel that this goal is impossible and insert instances in your past, recreate your childhood, for example, so that you grew up very rich, so that this goal of earning 10 million per month is actually very achievable based on the new past that you created. Either you do that, or you take your goal a few notches down so that it is still something challenging for you, but it doesn't bring up a huge amount of resistance, and it's more workable that way. And my recommendation would be to use a combination of both. If right now you're earning $5,000 and there is no specific reason why you absolutely have to start earning 10 million per month right away, take this goal a few notches down, somewhere where it still gets you excited to think that this could manifest for you, but it doesn't feel completely impossible. So you could go, for example, from $5,000 to $100,000 per month. It's a huge difference. It will make a huge difference in your life. And the good thing about it is that when you get to $100,000 per month, then it is going to be much easier to manifest earning 1 million per month, because you will already be feeling rich. you will already have eradicated many of your negative beliefs that kept you at making only 5K per month. Because if you hadn't eradicated those, then you wouldn't have reached this new level of earning 100K per month, okay? And when you're at the 100K, you're much closer than you were before to the end result you originally had chosen. So now that you are at 100K and you're feeling much better, now 1 million doesn't seem that hard. So you focus on manifesting 1 million. And when you reach the point where you manifest 1 million per month, where you earn 1 million per month, then manifesting earning 10 millions per month isn't that hard, because you're much, much closer to it than you were when you were earning 5K per month. When you were earning 5K per month, this goal of earning 10 millions per month was out there in space. I mean, you couldn't possibly imagine yourself being that person that earns all that money without having all this resistance coming up, without wondering, how is this ever going to happen? There's just no way this is going to happen, without feeling sad that you don't have it. The third mistake people make when choosing the end result is going way too small for no reason. And this usually happens because of deep insecurities. So, what do I mean by that? Let's say that you want to manifest a relationship with a specific person. You want someone back, and you actually want to be married to this person, in this case. So you look at this and think, yeah, that's way too far away from me. Let's focus on him unblocking me on Facebook. Now, this goal is so small that it is actually not even related to the end result you want. Because guess what? Someone can unblock you on Facebook because you don't mean anything to them anymore. They're not angry. They don't care about you. They don't care if you are blocked or unblocked. They have moved on so completely that they unblock you because you don't mean anything to them. This has nothing to do with the end result you want. I mean, taking it a few notches down would be to manifest a solid, steady relationship with this person before focusing on manifesting marriage, if marriage was too triggering for you. But taking the marriage down to, I want him to unblock me on Facebook, that is a completely different goal, and it's so small, it's not even worthy of your attention in most cases. This is the third mistake people make. You go so small that you choose an end result that is not even worthy of your attention, and that doesn't have any connection, any logical connection to the end result you desire. And people do that because of their insecurities and because they want to stay in their comfort zone. And they think that if he unblocks me, that means he loves me. Because if he unblocks me, because it's the only thing I want, he will unblock me and then he will message me and we will go out and we will have the perfect date and he will say how sorry he is and he will apologize for everything he said to me and all the ways he hurt me. And then he will kneel in front of me and ask me to marry him. And this is not a logical progression of events. If your goal is, if the end result you've chosen is for him to unblock you, when he unblocks you, that's all it means. There is nothing more to this manifestation because you set the goal of him unblocking you. All the other things are things you assume will happen the moment he unblocks you, and they won't happen because you don't truly believe they're going to happen. Because if you truly believe they were going to happen, you could set the goal of you two being back together and choose that as your end result. But if you're going that small, as to focus on him unblocking you, it means that you have a ton of resistance around manifesting the relationship, and that's why you're going that small. So 99% of the time, when someone focuses on something that tiny, like someone unblocking them, nothing of the things they assume this will mean will ever happen. They will not message you after unblocking you, they will not ask you out, and they will not apologize. So you have chosen the wrong end result. Ask yourself what you truly want. Is your true desire for them to unblock you, or is your true desire for you two to be back together? And if your true desire is not for them to unblock you, which I doubt it is, because no one has a burning desire for someone to unblock you and nothing else to happen after that, right? Choose the desire that is actually your end goal. Don't go super small because you think that you cannot manifest your bigger goal. Now, if getting married to this person feels triggering and too hard, then take it a step down and manifest a happy, solid, steady relationship with this person instead. because you will get a little less resistance around this goal than you will get if you imagine you two being married. But don't take it so small that it loses any meaning, okay? If you like this video, then hit the like button, share it so other people can find it too, and if you haven't already, then subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I put out new videos every Sunday to help you manifest an amazing life. Thank you so much for watching.